Hi, it's Corey Chambers in Los Angeles. Your home sold guaranteed or I'll buy it. Thanks for taking a minute to listen in. In a moment, I'll share with you some valuable information about this topic. Los Angeles real estate, open house Sunday, live work loft 2-story. And if you like this property or if you see anything else that you're interested in, we will gladly send you a property information packet of any loft, condo, or house, or we'll arrange for a private preview upon request. If you have a home you'd like to sell, then you should know that I will guarantee the sale of your present home at a price acceptable to you, or I'll buy it for cash. This guarantee will allow you to buy your next home without worrying about selling your present home. To find out how much you could sell your home for, call me at 213-880-9910 now. So here's the open house Sunday, which is tomorrow. And this one you can see is very unique. What you cannot see in this picture is just how high these soaring high ceilings are. They are 17 feet high. So this is extra high ceilings, giving you a palatial feeling in a modern loft with tremendous character that people really go crazy over. When you walk in it and you notice you're in a special place, a place with tremendous character, genuine industrial character, because this was the Fuller Paint Company warehouse built in 1925 during the Roaring Twenties. So this building, if you look at the front facade, is very fancy for an industrial building. It's got these neoclassical Art Deco columns all over the place in the front of the building built in, along with a very ornate decorative pattern in the concrete, and even gargoyles above every of these new modern neoclassical columns that was modern in 1925 and is still looks very special today. So that's the kind of place that this is. These are polished concrete floors, and it's got a big wall of windows. So it's got a lot more light, natural light, and windows than most lofts have. And then you got the upstairs. It's a live work, so it allows you to do a lot more of everything that you want to do in this place. In fact, this particular loft, you can do more things than almost any other type of urban residence. So the open house is tomorrow. That's Sunday, December 1st, 2019. And the address is 200 North San Fernando Road, number 115. And so open houses in general are a great way to get to know what's happening with the local real estate market and to see up close and personal an outstanding place to live and work like this. This is a 1,700 square foot Alta Loft. So this is an extra large loft. This is like the third out of 104 units in the building. I think this is probably the third largest one out of all of them. So I mentioned 17 foot, high ceilings, industrial character, concrete pillar columns inside the unit, giant wall of windows, natural light. The big bulk of the wall is taken up by a windowed warehouse roll-up door, so that wall opens up completely. The giant wall of windows. So what else? Elysian Park view. You can see Elysian Park out of the window. This is polished concrete floors. It's got a modern kitchen and bathroom, 2 bathrooms. It's 1.5 bathrooms, but they're very large. Granite countertops, black granite. Stainless steel appliances, large bathrooms, tile floor, granite counter, stainless steel sink. Laundry, closet, washer, dryer in the unit. Central air conditioning and heat. Gated covered parking space. I'm not sure if this is a gated covered parking space. It's gated, and I think it's an open parking space, but it's gated. Guest parking, also gated guest parking, pet friendly, and evening security guard patrol every night. Walk to shopping, stores, restaurants, the metro station is just a few blocks away. Elysian Park by Dodger Stadium. Los Angeles River Bike Path. Frogtown Art Walk is there every year. Recreation Center, swimming pool, and Los Angeles State Historic Park. So it's got all these big parks within walking distance. Also, it's just a couple miles from downtown Los Angeles. So Chinatown, Elysian Park, Lincoln Heights. Brewery Lofts is within walking distance. In Brewery Lofts, you can walk to their open house twice a year as well. I just walked there a few weeks ago to the Brewery Lofts open house. So look forward to seeing you here tomorrow. I live at Alta Lofts as well in a very similar unit. Get a free list of all the open houses with addresses, dates, and times. Just fill out this online form. Go to the LA Loft blog. And if you don't see this right up front, then just type in here and you'll see it. Open House Sunday. Open House Sunday. Open House Sunday. And then it should come up. There it is. You just click on that title, and then you'll be able to get a list. Just fill out this short form. You can get all the similar properties nearby, open houses for sale or for lease. Okay, and here's what's going to look like tomorrow when you show up. That's the ornate front of the building that I was telling you about. And you should see the signs out front at 200 North San Fernando Road. All right, we look forward to seeing you there. I'm Corey Chambers in Los Angeles. As I mentioned, a property information packet of this loft or any home or private preview is upon request. Call 213-880-9910 now. Thanks for listening in, and you take care. Bye-bye.